What's hot in kitchen design trends for 2025? Ever wonder what's next for kitchen design? If you're thinking about updating your kitchen or just love seeing the latest trends, you're going to love this. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the biggest kitchen trends for 2025. And trust me, there's a lot to get excited about. From cozy styles to cool color pops, these ideas are perfect for anyone looking to refresh their space. Now, kitchens have always been the heart of the home, but in 2025, they're becoming even more stylish, functional, and personalized. This year's trends are all about blending comfort with creativity, making spaces feel welcoming while still looking fresh and unique. Imagine a kitchen that feels like your space, whether that's with warm woods, colorful accents, or statement lighting that really catches the eye. The best part, these trends work for any kitchen size, so even small spaces can get a big style boost. If you're ready to get a sneak peek at what's going to be huge next year, let's dive into the top kitchen trends coming our way in 2025. First, warm minimalism. First up, we have warm minimalism. 2025 kitchens are all about simplicity, but with a cozy twist. Think natural wood tones, soft neutrals, and earthy accents that make your kitchen feel welcoming. Gone are the days of stark, cold designs. Now it's all about warmth and comfort while keeping things streamlined. 2. Bold color backsplashes. Next on the list, we're seeing bold color backsplashes making a huge comeback. From deep blues to warm terracottas and even emerald greens, 2025 is embracing color. The backsplash is the perfect spot to add personality without overwhelming the space. Third, sustainable choices. Sustainability is at the forefront of 2025 kitchen designs. We're talking eco-friendly materials like recycled wood or stone and energy-efficient appliances that reduce your carbon footprint. It's a trend that's not only stylish but also supports a healthier planet. 4. Mid-century modern style. Next up, we've got the mid-century modern style making a strong comeback. Think clean lines, minimalistic shapes, and wooden elements that add warmth to your kitchen. It's all about simple, timeless design with a bit of retro charm. 5. Textured walls and ceilings. Here's a fun one, textured walls and ceilings. In 2025, we're moving beyond flat walls and adding more texture and character. Whether it's through intricate wall patterns, exposed brick, or even textured ceilings, these small details make a huge impact in your space. 6. Smart kitchens. Technology is really making its way into the heart of the home. From smart ovens that adjust cooking times to fridges that help with meal planning, 2025 kitchens will be all about making cooking and daily tasks easier with just a tap or voice command. 7. Larger islands and multifunctional spaces. Let's talk about bigger kitchen islands. In 2025, kitchens are all about larger islands that serve multiple purposes, whether it's as a prep space, a place to eat, or even additional storage. It's the perfect way to maximize space and make your kitchen the social hub of your home. 8. More mixed metals. Last but not least, more mixed metals. Gone are the days of sticking to just one metal. In 2025, kitchens are embracing the beauty of combining different finishes like gold, stainless steel, and brass. It's a bold look that adds personality and sophistication to any kitchen. So there you have it. These are some of the top kitchen design trends that are going to be huge in 2025. Whether you love retro vibes or modern eco-conscious designs, there's something here for everyone. Which trend are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips. See you in the next video.